Shout out to Ma'am Alisa Lifestyle Vlog. Thank you so much, Ma'am, for letting me post videos on your GC. Kasi ang dami-daming nakakapanood. You know, it reaches out to those who are aspiring to work here in the USA. She's so humble. Salamat kaayo, Ma'am. Her videos were the ones I watched when I was still applying, like back in 2019 or 2020. It was such a big help for me to watch her videos, and I got inspired to create content about applying in the USA too. So thank you so much, Ma'am, for letting me reach to a bigger audience, letting me post on the GC about videos applying here in the USA. Thank you so much po. God bless and Godspeed, Ma'am. Sa mga gustong mag-Amerika, PM nyo po si Ma'am.
What's up everyone? Sir Migs po ito. Today, ituturo ko po sa inyo paano ba mag-apply as a teacher here in the USA. Simple lang, step by step natin. Kapag nag-decide na kayo kung saang state, for example, Arizona, school district website, i-search natin yan through Google, and then below makikita natin yung mga school districts. For example, i-click ko tong Scottsdale School District. Ayun, makikita na natin yung website ng school district ng Scottsdale. Pupunta tayo sa employees. Click natin yan. And then we'll go to careers. Usually, certified or certificated positions ang teacher. Yun. Click here to view our job openings. Yan, makikita mo na yung mga available positions. Follow for part 2. Part 2, paano ba mag-apply dito sa USA as a teacher? So, nasa school district na tayo, no? And then, click the available positions. Okay, yan, may makikita kayo. SPED teacher, senior nutritional services worker, part-time. Music teacher, kasi MAPE ako. For example, MAPE ako. So, pupuntahan ko yung art or music teacher. Okay, art teacher. Yan. Makikita mo dyan. Duties and responsibilities. And then, full-time. Yan. Makikita mo rin yung email. Pwede ka mag-email dyan sa principal kung gusto mong mag-apply para makita niya yung application mo. Then, dito ka mag-fill up. Apply for this position. So, part 3, paano ba mag-apply as a teacher dito? So, Mojave MS, so Mojave Middle School. Again, makikita mo kung ano yung mga duties and responsibilities mo. And then, physical requirements. May email ng principal kung gusto mo mag-email ng application mo sa kanila, yung ano mo, resume mo. Pero, aside from that, mas importante talaga na ma-fill upan mo yung ito, apply for this position. Accepted Wednesday, March 27, 2024 until April 11. Apply for this position. And gagawa ka ng account dito. After mo gumawa ng account, mag-fill up ka na ng mga important details and mag-a-attach ka naman ng mga documents mo. Kagaya ng certificate mo, license, at iba pa.
Hello, Miss Jen. Ang tanong ni Ma'am, may tax return din po ba ang H1B? Hindi, parang may tax return din pero hindi po ako sure kung magkano. Sa J1 teachers, first 2 years, fully refunded yung mga deduction sa salary. May ibang schools, hindi ka dinideductan talaga, kaya malinis mong nakukuha yung pera mo. Yung ibang schools, magdideduct, pero after filing tax, full yung refund na makukuha mo for 2 years. So malaking tulong yun para sa mga J1 para makapag-ipon talaga ng pera, mabayaran yung mga loans na ginamit, mga perang ginamit para makapunta dito. In my case, may social security tax ako at which is hindi dapat. So I'm figuring out with my HR kung paano yun ma-fully refunded back to my account. Hello po, Mitils. Sabi from DepEd po kayo, sir. Opo, DepEd po ako. 1 year sa State University teaching PE, and then MAPE teacher from 2017 until 2022. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 5 years sa DepEd. Pinagkaiba lang talaga is mas maraming activities extracurricular kasi MAPE teacher. Mga pa-contest, ganun. Tayo yung magtuturo sa mga bata pag may mga pa-contest. And then, yung mga mostly kasi talent skills, performance, MAPE. Dito wala masyadong activities. Yung program di masyadong maganda. Hindi sila nag-i-invest sa magandang speaker din. Yun bang bongga sa atin yung speaker yun bang malakasan talaga dito. Parang bingi yung speaker nila. Pero naman, organized din. Hello again, Ma'am Sharp. Ang sabi ni Ma'am, J1 teacher din siya, but after 1 year, she decided to go home. I salute you, sir, for being strong. Good luck po. Thank you po, ma'am. Maraming salamat. And I'm so happy that you went home, no? Kung yan ang makakapagpanatag ng loob mo. Personally, yung anxiety, depression, hindi ko yan kilala. Yung nag-America na ako, dun ko na nalaman na nag-i-exist pala yung depression at anxiety. Parang kinabukasan, anong laban na naman ang mangyayari? Anong mangyayari namang sa klase, ganun ba? Talaga siya? Challenging, no? And then, marami ding mga taga-US na hindi na bumabalik after, 1 school year. Retention. Kasi, mapapatanong ka din, bakit ang daming J1 kung marami na teachers na taga-Amerika? Kasi mahirap talaga. Pero tayo, resilient tayong Pinoy Kaya, yun. Thank you so much to Ma'am Kenoyski Abashta. H4 can work. Kukuha ka lang po ng authorization. Maybe this is the employment authorization. Ano yung susunod? EAD. Employment Authorization Department? Parang yan yung EAD. Para magtrabaho yung... Kasi H1B, pag nag-sponsor yung school sa'yo, yung H1B, tapos dala mo yung partner mo, H4. So, yun sa mga gustong gustong mag-green card, gustong maging resident dito sa Amerika. Mostly sa mga kakilala ko, especially na may mga anak, yun talaga yung target nila. Ako personally, hindi ko pa sure, pero kung iisipin mo, maganda talaga siya na maging resident ka dito, di ba? Ako parang si Lord na bahala. Hello, Mom Sharp. Ang sabi ni Mom Sharp, true. If you have a good life in the Philippines, better stay. There is life in the Philippines. Yeah, so it's a really big adjustment when you come here, no? First 2 years. Di mo masasabi na masasanay ka agad. There will still come a time na para ka ma-homesick, but you just have to be grateful that you're here. This once in a lifetime opportunity to work in the USA as a teacher. And then, time goes by so fast. Mabilis lang yung panahon. No, kahit na homesick ka, di mo mamalayan, tapos na yung kontrata mo. So, I think the best thing we can do is pray always, be grateful, save money, and learn as much as you can. Thank you, Ma'am Memo, Maya, Meli, and Mokas. Comment. Sabi ni Ma'am, true sir, ako nga sir, kahit halos 2 dekada na ako sa US. Nung magturo na ako sa public school, hindi matawaran ang kalisod po do yung hirap daw. Totoo, kaya kailangan talaga natin ng support, no, sa mga colleagues natin, especially yung mga nandito na meron din tayong mga coach, yung nagko-coach sa atin, mga mentors, malaking tulong yan sila. May ibang mga Pinoy na makakatulong sa atin, ibang mga Pinoy, hindi lahat ng Pinoy ang tutulong sa atin. And then, find ways para ma-entertain. Lagi kami nagkakaraoke dito sa bahay. Tapos go hiking para mawala yung homesick. So, find ways talaga na mag-adapt. And then,
lagi kong sinasabi, pray talaga. Pray always. Pray, pray, and pray.